Hey there, political enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a hot topic that's causing a stir across southern Africa. Zimbabwe's ruling party, ZANU-PF, is under fire for allegedly interfering in the elections of its neighbors. With Namibia gearing up for its presidential elections on November 27th, reports are emerging about ZANU-PF's involvement in disrupting the process. They're reportedly siding with Namibia's ruling party, raising serious concerns about the integrity of the elections. But it doesn't stop there. Similar accusations have surfaced in Mozambique and Botswana. In Mozambique, there's overwhelming evidence that ZANU-PF supporters were given Mozambican identity cards and allowed to vote in last month's elections. These elections saw the ruling Frelimo party retain power, leaving many questioning the legitimacy of the process. These allegations have sparked regional tension, with calls for action against Zimbabwe's leadership growing louder. Former Botswana President Ian Khama is among those demanding accountability from ZANU-PF, with some even suggesting Zimbabwe's expulsion from the Southern African Development Community, or SADC. Now, it's important to note that these claims rely heavily on reports and lack independent verification. Presenting concrete evidence is crucial to substantiate these allegations. And of course, we need to hear ZANU-PF's side of the story to ensure a balanced perspective. Stay tuned as this story unfolds, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more updates on this and other political news. I'm signing off for now, but keep questioning and keep informed.